Welcome to LOL Coffee Talks. Let's get you set up in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Register. First, visit linkonlinelearners.com/coffeetalks. Reserve your spot in the next Coffee Talk session. After registering, you'll receive a welcome email with your private join link and QR code. Step 2. Download ClassIn first. Before signing up, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download ClassIn. Once it's installed, open the app and let's continue. You can also go to classin.com/download/ and download directly to your laptop or desktop. Step 3. Create your account. Inside the ClassIn app, click Sign Up. You can register using your email or your phone number. Read and accept the agreements, privacy policies, and then continue. Step 4. Verify your account. Click Get Code. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Copy the code, return to the app, and continue to the next step. Step 5. Create your password. Now, create your password. Your password should contain letters, numbers, and between 6 and 20 characters. Once that's done, congratulations! Your account is officially ready. Step number 6. Set up your profile. Add your name. Follow the format name and country. For example, Hector, Mexico, Huy, Vietnam, and upload a profile photo. You can take a photo or choose one from your gallery. Now your profile is ready for Coffee Talks. Step number 7. Join LOL Coffee Talks. Return to your welcome email and either click the join link or scan the QR code again. Because you already downloaded ClassIn, the app will automatically open and take you directly into the LOL Coffee Talks community. Step number 8. Enter the session. When it's time for Coffee Talks, simply open the ClassIn app and you'll see your session waiting for you. Click Enter Classroom and ta-da! You're in! Step number 9. Allow camera and microphone access. ClassIn may ask permission to use your microphone and camera. Click Allow, and you're ready to join the conversation. And that's it. Seriously, joining is easy. We created LOL Coffee Talks to be a warm, safe, and welcoming place where people from around the world can practice real English together, exchange different languages without pressure, without fear, and without needing perfect communication skills. See you on LOL Coffee Talks.